High Bond tapes provide superior adhesive strength for demanding applications requiring a strong, permanent bond. Suitable for metals, plastics, and composites, High Bond tapes deliver durable, reliable performance. Let's take a look at a few of our top products and discuss their intended applications and their different performance levels. Starting with BT9778, our 20mm low-profile economic option. A thin design allows for faster wet-out, quick tack, and flexibility for those tight gap tolerances. BT9778 adheres extremely well to metals and plastic surfaces, providing an almost invisible bond. Next is BT9771, a versatile performance option at 40mm thickness. BT9771 is a balance of strength and value with strong adhesion and easy handling for component assembly and exterior use. Taking things up a notch is BT9773, our 60mm high-performance option. With the highest bond strength and excellent gap fill, it's built to handle stress, vibration, and tough environments. BT9773 adheres well on hard-to-bond substrates like plastics or powder coatings. Available in an array of multiple thicknesses and widths, Bron High Bond Tapes streamline assembly and contribute to a long-lasting product durability, making it ideal for permanent assembly, manufacturing, and structural bonding. And with Bron converting capabilities, we can convert custom widths, lengths, spools, die cuts, and laminations. Our tapes can be tailored to your specific requirements and applications. So to learn more, contact a Bron application specialist today.